Okay, so here we have a 1989 KX80. As you can see, there's a lot of oxidation here on the plastic. We're just going to use superfine steel wool without any chemicals and show you what sort of result we get. What do you reckon, Finny?
Good.
Gonna happen? Alright, let's get to it. You can see how all that white came off just with the steel wool, and it's really smooth now. Bit of a wipe after the steel wool. You can see the difference. It's just all come off, and this is really smooth. And it probably only took a minute or two for each little section. It's coming up pretty good so far. So as you can see, the result is pretty good. Nice shiny look. Just have to get the new sticker to cover that up. Steel wool and a little bit of metal cleaner on the corroded pipe. It's come up really nice.